Hi, everyone. I'm Jade Bell, and this is the Coatings Minute from Peyton Coatings Industry. This week, we're highlighting a major development for our brand. PCI is now the sixth media partner for the Manufacturing and Automotive Exchange, better known as MAX. MAX is a unique event that brings together leaders from across automation, assembly, adhesives, coatings, quality, and safety. And with PCI joining the partnership, coatings and finishing now have a dedicated place within that cross-functional environment. What sets MAX apart is that it's built around live, working equipment and in-process demonstrations, giving attendees the chance to see technologies operating the way they do on real production floors. The event takes place March 25th through 26, 2026, at the Music City Center in Nashville, one of the fastest growing manufacturing hubs in the United States. With major investments happening across appliances, EVs, and aerospace, the region continues to draw manufacturers looking to scale and modernize operations. As a Max Media partner, PCI will help bring greater visibility to the surface technologies that support efficiency, durability, and quality across manufacturing sectors, strengthening the connection between coatings professionals and the broader production landscape represented at the event. To learn more or to register, visit themaxevent.com. I'm Jade Bell, and this is your Coatings Minute. Thanks for watching.